Hello, I'm Dr. Pravish Vishnudas, a maxillofacial surgeon and implantologist from Calicut. I had attended Dr. Mayur Davde's dental photography course at Calicut, which was organized by Dr. Jose Thomas. It was a comprehensive program on dental photography, which started off from the basics of photography, including types of cameras, lenses, aperture, focus, shutter speed, then various settings for different types of dental photographs, protocols for intraoral and extraoral photography, documentation, editing, tabletop photography, street photography, and glamour photography. Those 3 days were super packed with theory, listening to podcasts, assignments, test papers, practical sessions, editing, and then loads of fun. The way Dr. Mayur Davde was handling the students was commendable, as we had PG students, clinicians, professors all under one roof, and he was checking on the work progress of each one of us. This program is a highly recommended course for those practitioners or students who would like to upgrade their case documentation and presentations to the international standards. Thank you, Mayur Davde, for those 3 wonderful days.